Hey guys, it's Tika and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I put together these tropical Mickey cookies for my birthday. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm beginning with this pineapple cookie and I'm starting out with a medium consistency royal icing, and I'm just going to outline and flood that right in. With a really thick consistency icing, I'm going to pipe on some leaves. And then using this adorable Mickey mold, I'm going to add in a little bit of cornstarch, and then I'm going to add in some orange fondant. And there we have an adorable Mickey. I'm just going to add that right onto my pineapple, and I'm going to go ahead and add some more detail. For our next cookie, we are going to do the Disney castle. Again, I'm going to start by outlining this cookie and filling it in with medium consistency royal icing. And then with some flood consistency pink, I'm going to make a couple of circles and some white as well. Using my scribe, I'm just going to drag this circle into the center to make it look like a flower. For the castle, I decided to do a transfer. So here I have a printed off piece of paper in a protective pocket, and I am using a 0-tip and medium consistency icing to make my castle, and I'm going to let this dry for 24 hours. Then I'm just going to add this right onto my cookie. And using another medium consistency and a number 1 tip, I'm just going to add some of the details. All done. For our next cookie, we are going to work on Mickey Mouse. And here I made a little stencil, and I'm just going to outline the glasses onto this cookie with an edible marker. And then I'm going to fill this in with a little bit of medium consistency white royal icing. Once that's nice and dry, I'm going to take this over to my airbrushing station, and using this really cute tropical stencil, I am just going to airbrush the corner of these glasses with just a little bit of a flower. And then I'm going to take some more medium consistency royal icing, and I'm going to outline and fill this cookie in. Once this cookie has dried completely, then I'm going to go back in with some stiff consistency royal icing, and I'm going to outline the outside of the glasses and the lenses. Once I got everything all outlined, I'm going to go ahead and take some more flood consistency pink icing, and I'm just going to squeeze it in between all of the outline that I made. Once these glasses are dry, I'm just going to take an edible flower and add it right on. The last cookie that we're going to do today is the happy birthday banner cookie. I'm going to start by outlining and filling in this monogram cookie with some medium consistency yellow royal icing. Then using some tropical sprinkles, I'm just going to add a little bit of decoration right at the top. Once this has dried completely, then I'm going to go back over this with some writing consistency royal icing, and I'm going to pipe on some Disney letters that say happy birthday. I'm also using my favorite tool, which is my Pico projector, to do this. And then using that same consistency pink royal icing, I'm just going to outline the border. And that is all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for hanging out with me on my birthday, and I'll catch you in the next one.